Hey, it's Patrick Cuneta. I hope you're having a great day. It's been a little while since I made a vlog, so today I'm going on a hike with my friend Caden. I'm up to the Columbia River Gorge, gonna hike up this super cool spot and gonna fly my new drone up there a little bit, get some sick shots of the Columbia River Gorge. So let's go. All right, we are finally ready to go. Got all our supplies, coffee and everything. Got about a 30-minute drive ahead of us. Gotta say what's up to my viewers for the first time. This is my homie Caden. What's up? We've been friends since like 8th grade, but this is his first time being in a video. Got any wise words of advice for my viewers, Caden?
Stay happy. Listen to his music.
Hell yeah, listen to my music. Speaking of my music, my new song Black Sheep just came out today. I'll put the link in the description if you guys want to check it out.
Something really wrong with me when I'm by myself.
Let's do a fake. Like, all right, this is Caden's first time ever hearing my song.
All right. Roll down the window and jump out.
I was feeling so left out, so I don't wanna blend in. I just wanna be free. I don't wanna be them. I just wanna be me. I'm the only one awake while everyone's asleep. This ain't nothing new. Always been a black sheep.
10 out of 10 banger.
Banger.
Driving in the car, driving down the road. I swerved cause I almost hit the toad, yeah. All right, we made it here. Cape Horn. Some cool information about that. You can go ahead and pause the video and read everything about this. So we're along the Columbia River here. Here we are right here. Cape Horn Trail. Kind of cool. There's no poop ferry. All right, I know of a really cool secret. I'll take you down here. Ready? Secret bridge. Check this out, guys. We could camp in here. It'd be kind of sick. You ready for this? Cool little spot down here. Wonder where that goes. Ave Maria. All right, now let's get to the actual trail. Such a beautiful day. This is like the first sunny, warm day of the whole year, so we got a perfect day off to come out here into nature and enjoy the beauty. No way. For the vlog, come here. Come here, boy.
That way. To the right.
Little garter snake in there. Come here, boy. Dang it. Oh yeah, huh? The rare lotus flower. It only blooms once every 15,000 years. I'm a videographer. So apparently this trail was actually founded by the Apache Indians in the Great War of 1912 when their village was overcome by the Russian Confederation. Don't believe everything you hear on the internet. It's hard to be able to see the view over there. Nature! Oh crap, guys. Did you hear that? Let's get the hell out of here. Just kidding, you fell for it again. It was just an edit. I tricked you.
Right.
This is a 10-mile hike, straight up cliffs.
12 hours. Honestly, I would love to have like a cabin in the woods.
Right. I'm just gonna leave society, live in nature,
Grow a giant beard.
be a hippie, grow giant beards.
Yeah.
Starting to be able to see the river through the trees there. Oh, look at this. Whoa, look at that. We could have drove up this whole time, you telling me?
No.
And we're walking and just drive up the mountain. Here, record me. I'm gonna climb this electrical thing. And I'm gonna see if I can do some pull-ups on the electrical wires. Yeah, exactly. I think we could probably zip line down that. Right? I'll just attach my sweater to it and I'll just zip line like freaking James Bond style. Almost there.
55 minutes.
55 minutes. So almost about an hour to get all the way up here. Not too bad, definitely a lot of uphill obviously, but gotta do that to get to the views. All right, almost up here. This is where the view actually gets good. Finally made it. Check this out. Wow. Man. Check that out. Might be kind of hard to see, but all the way across there, that's Multnomah Falls down there. Did you look at that view? Got this cool little spot here to chill for a little bit, take a break. We're gonna see if we can fly the drone out a little bit, get some sick shots of this, have some lunch, and just chill for a little bit. I can show you the world. See how close you can get to the edge, dude.
Whoever gets closer wins $100,000.
Yeah. Mr. Beast Challenge. Taking the drone out here. This is a perfect spot to do it. Just got it like last week, so I'm excited to see how this goes. This bad baby up. Check it out, comes this little case here. Open it up. I don't really know how to do it yet, but oh wait, I don't know how to use it.
2 hours later.
All right, we got it all set up on my phone and everything. The drone's ready to go. I better not lose this crap, or I'm gonna lose $600. Kind of windy. I don't know if this is the best idea, honestly, but we're gonna do it anyways. All right, let's go where the wind's low. I don't know where to freaking take off from. Sketch. All right. Woo! Sketchy. That's pretty sick that you can see that freaking. All right, ready? Mission success. So it's pretty windy obviously up here. This thing we handled super well, so I'm super happy with this drone. The parking lot way down there. All right, we spent some time up here on the cliff, had some lunch, chilled and enjoyed the view a bit. It's time to go back down. Ready?
Ready.
Oh wait, I forgot, dude. Almost forgot.
It's a de-stressor.
I need a de-stressor. You gotta go up to a cliff and scream. Yeah, I'm gonna cancel my therapist now, actually. You should try it, bro. It was good. Yeah, you wanna give it a go? For the vlog? Do it for the vlog? Dude, I need that freaking watch time, bro. So it's freezing up here on the top. It's actually the warmest day of the year so far. But up here on the top, it's so windy and freezing cold. Definitely regret leaving my sweater in the car. Oh well, back down we go. from like 70 degrees to like 30. This dude's following me. The guy with the mask is chasing me. Already just walking for a minute, it's like way warmer.
Right.
This is nice. I haven't been out in nature in forever. I don't even remember the last time I actually went hiking, honestly. It's been a while. At least a few months for me. Year and a half, really. Lazy. Now this will be the beginning to a nice, prosperous summer of hiking and fulfilling nature experiences and just adventure. We're kicking off the year, getting back out in the world, destroying COVID, slowly getting warmer and warmer as we descend back to Earth. Ow! Ow! I'm getting, oh shit, dude, there's literally barbed wire right here. Literally. Like a tripwire. I know, dude, I'm gonna get freaking caught in a net over here. Alright, back home. Ooh. I like kind of going out further sometimes, like Battleground, because it's like really dead out there. It's really far away from civilization and freeways. Yeah, no one can hear your screams. Lovely. What was that, dude? What was that?
Sasquatch?
Sasquatch?
Bigfoot?
I think so. Both. There's a whole family of those people, those creatures. There's different kinds of them. There's the Sasquatch, and there's the Bigfoot, and there's the Yeti, and there's your mom. Time for some ASMR. Waterfall, creek dribbling down.
This is a turd dropping in the...
Alright, here's some ASMR, guys. I got you.
I don't know.
I feel like we got back down super fast. Didn't even break a sweat. It feels literally like 3 or 4 times longer on the way up just because it's so uphill. Right? This is the biggest tree I've seen around here. Look at this. Wow. Back to the real world. All right, and we finally made it back home. That was a really, really nice day. Honestly, it's been quite a few months since I've gone out and done anything like that, so it was really nice just to get out from everyday life and go out into nature and just escape for a little while, soak in that beautiful view and all the scenery. And I just had a great day, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for joining me along the journey. If you guys are ever in the Columbia Gorge area, Portland, Oregon, Vancouver, Washington area, I would definitely recommend checking out Cape Horn or some of those other hiking spots in the area because they're all super, super beautiful. And thank you guys so much for watching once again. And as always, don't forget to let me know your thoughts in the comments. Check out the description. And if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. We got plenty more coming soon. Your mind is much more powerful than you think. Have a great day. Peace.